What if I told you that the very seeds you eat for better health, chia, flax, sesame, and pumpkin, could actually work against you after 40? It sounds impossible, right? But science says otherwise, because as your metabolism, hormones, and digestion change with age, the same seeds that once healed your body can now trigger hidden inflammation, bloating, and nutrient loss if you use them the wrong way. Stay with me, because I'll reveal the 5 dangerous seed mistakes most people over 40 make and how to fix them today before they cause real damage. Mistake number 1. Eating seeds, dry or unsoaked. Most people just sprinkle chia or flax straight into yogurt or cereal. But here's the truth. After 40, your stomach acid becomes weaker and digestion slows down. Dry seeds absorb water inside your gut, expanding up to 10 to 12 times their size. That means dehydration, constipation, and gut stress. You may think you're getting fiber, but instead, your intestines are struggling to push them through. Fix: always soak chia, flax, or sesame seeds for at least 30 minutes before eating. Let them form a gel. That gel not only improves hydration, but also slows sugar absorption, balancing your blood sugar naturally. So if you've been eating dry seeds, stop today. Mistake number 2. Mixing too many seeds together. You've probably seen those super seed blends: chia, flax, sesame, pumpkin, sunflower, all in one bag. But here's the truth no one tells you. Each seed has a different digestion rate and different oil profile. When mixed, their omega-3 and omega-6 ratios clash, causing oxidative stress and bloating. Especially if your liver is already slowing down after 40, this overload can cause inflammation instead of healing. Fix: focus on one type per day. Rotate them weekly, so don't mix too much. Rotate instead. Mistake number 3. Eating seeds without grinding. Let's talk about flax seeds, one of the most powerful hormone-balancing foods. But here's a shocking truth. If you eat them whole, you're literally flushing the nutrients down the toilet. Your body can't break the outer shell. It just passes through. So you're not absorbing the lignans, omega-3 fats, or fiber that protect your heart and hormones. Fix: always grind flax, sesame, or pumpkin seeds fresh, just before use. Ground seeds release essential fatty acids that support post-40 metabolism and hormone balance. But there's a catch. Once ground, seeds oxidize fast, so don't store them for more than 2 days. Keep them in an airtight glass jar, in the fridge. Mistake number 4. Over-toasting or heating. Seeds toasting makes seeds taste delicious, crunchy, nutty, aromatic. But here's the danger. The healthy oils inside, omega-3 and polyunsaturated fats, are heat sensitive. When exposed to high heat, they turn rancid, releasing compounds that stress your liver and arteries. If you toast or roast seeds in oil at high temperature, you destroy their antioxidants and even produce acrylamides, compounds linked to aging and inflammation. Fix: toast seeds lightly on low heat for under 3 minutes. Never fry them in oil. If possible, eat them raw and soaked. That's when the enzymes and omega fats are most active. Mistake number 5. Ignoring timing and quantity. After 40. Even healthy things can harm you if you take them at the wrong time or in excess. Seeds are calorie-dense. Just 2 tablespoons can add 150 to 200 calories. If you're over 40, your metabolism burns slower, so overeating seeds can quietly add weight, especially around the belly. Fix: limit to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Eat seeds in the morning or midday, never late at night, because digestion slows after 7 p.m. Pair them with vitamin C foods like lemon or berries. It boosts mineral absorption, especially zinc and magnesium. Bonus tip: the right way to use seeds after 40. If you're wondering, so how should I eat them now? Here's the ideal formula. Morning ritual. Soak 1 tablespoon chia overnight in a glass of water. In the morning, add lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Drink it 15 minutes before breakfast. Evening option. Add a teaspoon of freshly ground flax or sesame into yogurt or porridge. Do this consistently, and within 2 weeks, you'll notice smoother digestion, better energy, and even flatter belly. Now you know, it's not the seeds that are dangerous. It's the mistakes that make them so. Soak them, grind them, rotate them, protect their oils, and respect their timing. Because after 40, your body deserves smarter nutrition, not just healthy trends. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still eats seeds the wrong way. And tell me in the comments, which mistake were you making before watching this?